here. No one wants to call. Not a single one.
He's got a shot over there.
Yeah. Bastard.
Barry's back in that now. You want to final life here now, don't you?
Yeah. I can push forward, can't I? Good.
Just be mindful it is your last life.
I know.
Turn up that one now.
I've got it back here up here, so if anyone comes up there.
Coming down! Get down from top! Go Red, where's that behind you?
What's the corner there?
Oh, hit!
That's Tony. Tony's just at the doorway.
What, inside?
There he was.
Get man, cross it! Get man! Get man, cross door!
Head down, buddy, head down, head down.
Hey, I chucked a grenade round the corner. One of them's like, I'm dead. The other one's like, I've just got here. I'm like, you've just got there in time.
Doesn't matter, yeah, what?
Yeah. I couldn't be fucked to argue with it, man, but some very questionable play, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, I had a couple.
On the first one and then the second one.
It's only water.
How do you find that, Jay?
Barry, start dancing. Wait. How long did they do it in? How many times?
A bit faster, I think.
They seem faster.
Yeah. It's only a little bit, they still had about